Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Owl, and welcome to day 19 of my 2024 Spellbinders Crafty Advent series. Spellbinders generously sent me one of their advent calendars to open and share with you here on my channel. So each day from the 1st to the 24th, I'm going to have a quick and fun video to show you what's behind the new door and create a project. For day 19, the gift was a set of 4 sentiment stamps. I will be using the Happy Birthday Wishes sentiment, so I'm going to create a quick and easy birthday background. For this, I'll be using 2 balloons from a Simon Hurley stamp set, and I got out a few inks that I thought looked pretty festive. Because I wanted a trio of balloons in different colors, I did free range stamping for this, and because this wasn't in my MISTI, I did have some issues getting it stamped completely. Sometimes this happens with silhouette stamps, so I either filled it in by tapping the stamp back down onto the previous one, or you'll see on this last balloon I got out a small blender brush and just filled in the area that got missed. If I was using a stamp positioner, I could have fixed this a lot easier. I did also clean the stamp between each of the colors. Once the 3 balloons were stamped, I brought in the coordinating balloon outline and stamped that in black. Now this placement won't be perfect and it's not meant to be. I just eyeballed where that outline went around each of the balloons. And finally I brought in the string that came with the stamp set and added that to the bottom of each one. If you are enjoying this series, I think you're going to love my daily Advent lives. Make sure to check out the link at the top of the description box below and join me for the next live stream where I will be opening multiple crafty calendars and creating a new tag each day. I'm going to be stamping the Happy Birthday Wishes sentiment onto a scrap of vellum, and because this is a non-porous surface, I'm using StazOn Jet Black ink. I did my best to kind of get the sentiment centered on that piece, and I got it inked up and stamped. Off camera, I cut a piece of black cardstock into a 3-inch square, and I also trimmed down my stamped piece to a 2 3/4-inch square. Before I can place that onto the mat, I wrapped my vellum sentiment around it, making sure to adhere the back very well, and then I got that centered onto the mat. To finish the card off, I added a little sparkle with some Berry Color Essentials gems. For this series, I made a special little mini photo album, and each day's creation is going to get turned into kind of an instant photo, or what you might know as a Polaroid. So once I had my square done, I got it added to the top center of my background piece, and then it's just going to get put back in the album, so at the end of the month I will be able to go back and just see what each day's little gift was. It's such a fun and cute way to remember this series. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel and you would like to be notified of my next Advent video, make sure to click on that subscribe button below and ring the bell for all notifications. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.